We are at the parking lot of CABANA Beach Bar, and as you can see, there is plenty of parking slots. It's a POSH or a fancy beach bar, and it's one of the 4 bars that you can find here on Paliuri Beach, or Hroussou Beach as it's also called. It's near Pefkohori town on Kassandra Peninsula of Halkidiki. The bar is ideal for young people because there is always a good and loud music playing, and the parties last until late in the night. As you can see, there is a boutique here near the entrance of the beach, so don't worry if you forget to bring your swimsuit, you are going to be able to find one here. The water quality is the highest and the sand is the softest. Very pleasant for your feet. I will put the link of their website in the description of this video. You'll find that they have some interesting and unique offers, unlike most of the places here on Halkidiki. You don't have to pay for the sunbeds, but you are going to be given a minimum consumption quote. So if you sit in the first row, you will need to spend at least 50 euros per sunbed, 30 euros for a sunbed in the second row, and 20 euros for a sunbed in the third and fourth row, which is fair since you're going to be there for at least 5 hours. Some beaches or beach bars will charge you just for the sunbeds, so it's the best if you plan to eat here. The club sandwich was good, and they are particularly proud of their sushi. The beach is also family friendly, but you will need to find place at the far ends of the sunbeds area, because in the middle or near the bar the music is very loud. Our son loved it, and we have had a very good time here. See you at the next destination, and remember, it's the journey that counts.